Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. My name is Soraya. Now before we get into the video, I'd like for you to subscribe if you haven't already done so and give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Now today's video is about the 3 top reasons why you should use the acrylic swiping technique. This swiping technique has gained lots of popularity among artists for creating stunning and captivating artworks. Here are the top 3 reasons why artists like you should use the acrylic swiping technique. Okay, here we go. Reason number 1, unique and mesmerizing results. The acrylic swiping technique produces mesmerizing and unpredictable results that are really hard to achieve through any other method or technique. By pouring the multiple colors of acrylic paint on a canvas, or in my case, tiles, and then swiping them with a tool, you could use a palette knife or a silicone spatula. I use just some, paper, hardcover paper, anything that you could swipe with. It creates intricate patterns and really fascinating color blends. The process creates beautiful cells as well and really unique textures and makes each artwork really just one of a kind. Reason number 2, fluid and an intuitive process. The swiping technique allows the artist to really let go of strict control and embrace spontaneity. It encourages experimentation with color combinations, pouring techniques, and swiping directions, enabling the artist to discover new possibilities and happy accidents along the way. The freedom and flexibility make the acrylic swiping technique both enjoyable and rewarding. And the last reason why you should use acrylic swiping technique is versatility and adaptability. Artists can use the acrylic swiping technique on various surfaces like canvas, wood, like I did here with ceramics, or even paper. It works well with different types of acrylic paints, including fluid acrylics, heavy body acrylics, or acrylic inks. Also, artists can easily adjust the viscosity of the paint and the swiping tool to achieve really different effects, making it a really versatile technique suitable for artists of all skill levels. Here they are, all wet still, just finished doing them, and I'm glad I did that swipe. It's very, very interesting patterns here. So I'll show you what they look like dry in just 1 second. Look at those cells. Ooh, lots of beautiful lacing too. I was in a hurry to get these to my clients, so unfortunately I don't have a video for when they're dry, but they were beautiful.